Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Sword X Staff game. Crashing or not working, not opening, keep stopping, lagging, freezing, not launching, showing black screen or several other issues on Android phone. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first thing what you need to do is to restart your phone once and then try to launch the game. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, launch the game and check. Next method is to check for the game update. So make sure your game is up to date. For that, go to Google Play Store. From the search option, search for the game Sword X Staff, and after that here you have to check if the game needs any kind of update. If there is any update available, update your game to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. Well, if you are using Wi-Fi, go to mobile data and do vice versa, and after that launch the game and check whether the game is opening or not. If the issue still continues, you are suggested to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info, after that click on force stop and then click on OK. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage option, click on clear cache, after that go back, launch the game and check. Next is to install a VPN app. So if you are still facing the same issue, you can install a VPN app and then try to launch the game. For that, go to Google Play Store, search for VPN, and you will get lots of VPN apps over here. Install any one of it, and after that log into it, change the location, and after that launch the game and check if it's launching or not. Next is to check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to settings, go below, click on Steam system update, and here you will find if there is any update available for the game. If yes, update your game to the update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that launch the game and then check if the issue is resolved. But if the issue still continues, you are suggested to reinstall the game once. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. Once you have done this, again go to the Google Play Store, in the search option search for the game, and after that again click on the install option. So by doing this, you can easily fix the issue that you are coming across while playing Sword X Staff game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.